In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your Wix website in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned website designer or a newcomer exploring the realm of digital content creation, managing your Wix site can be both exciting and a bit overwhelming at times. But don't worry, we're here to break it down for you. To get started, the first thing you'll do is sign in to your Wix account. Now, if you have multiple sites, you'll initially find yourself on the All Sites page. Here's where you'll select the specific site you want to work on. This selection will direct you to that site's personalized dashboard. Once you're in the dashboard, a variety of site-level actions are available at your fingertips. You can rename your site if it's something you haven't quite settled on yet. View your live site to see how it currently appears to visitors, or even add a client kit. You also have the option to transfer the site if the need arises. It's a straightforward and intuitive way to manage your digital space. Now, the heart and soul of customizing your Wix site is within the Wix editor. Click on Edit Site to access this wonderful platform. Here, you'll have the creative freedom to mold the content and design of your site to your liking. Everything from changing the theme to switching up layouts is possible here, allowing for a truly personalized online presence. Let's dive into the Pages and Menu panel. It's your go-to place for managing the fundamental structure of your site. You can rename pages for better clarity, duplicate pages if you're looking to expand on a theme or concept, and of course, delete pages that are no longer relevant, ensuring everything stays fresh and up to date. When it comes to the content itself, text, media, and overall site structure, Wix has you covered. You can easily edit text to make sure your message is coming across as intended. You can also add or remove elements such as images, videos, or widgets to enhance user engagement. Don't forget to manage the overall structure of your site, ensuring it aligns with your brand's aesthetic and functionality needs. One of the hidden gems in Wix is its built-in SEO tools. Optimizing for search engines is a critical step in managing your site. Make sure each page is equipped with a unique and descriptive title, along with a meta description. This not only improves search visibility, but helps guide users to the information they're seeking. Lastly, you might find yourself in need of some extra hands. Wix allows you to invite collaborators to help manage your website, be it for content updates, design tweaks, or even administrative tasks. You can assign specific roles and permissions to these collaborators, ensuring efficient teamwork without compromising security. By following these steps, managing your Wix website will be a smoother, more confident process, and you'll be well on your way to having a dynamic and engaging online presence. Thanks for watching, and happy site managing!